Bright Horizons' core philosophy is to manage risk and deliver the best risk-adjusted return. In this challenging environment, managing risk becomes critical. We are happy that our PMS has stood by its objectives of delivering superior risk-adjusted return, which can only be seen in such times when markets are extremely volatile. By effective risk management, we have fallen lesser than the index in most of our strategies. We expect continued volatility in the short to medium term. Earnings downgrades are expected from companies adversely impacted by COVID. You also have volatility in crude prices. The US-China tensions are also going to play an important factor. Any extensions of lockdown beyond the first quarter of this financial year are again going to impact pretty adversely. And in the backdrop, we have a weakening fiscal deficit for India. Hence, we continue to manage risk actively in the short run, and we think that over the next few months, it will become very, very important for all fund managers to manage risk very actively. There are long-term positives as well, and those include falling interest rates and the likelihood of some of the manufacturing facilities moving from China to India. We did give our buy calls on gold when it was pretty down and in the dumps. In fact, a couple of our portfolios today also hold gold. The portfolios that allow us to hold gold are our balanced funds as well as our FlexiCap, which is an equity portfolio. We also went ahead and invested in pharma stocks, and they were very beaten down at that point of time. We were slightly ahead of the turning point, but today we can actually see that pharma is one of the few sectors which are doing well at this point of time. Our lower exposure to financials in comparison with the index also helped us manage risk. We have a number of strategies which are suitable for varied risk profiles. Among our equity schemes, we have India Business Leaders, which is a large cap scheme. Apart from that, we have the RH All Seasons Mutual Fund of Funds, and that invests purely in direct schemes as well as ETFs of mutual funds. AlphaBots is an artificial intelligence based stock portfolio. We have FlexiCap, which is our flagship scheme and our largest, and that gives us flexibility to move across both market caps as well as invest into gold to a smaller extent. Super Value is a mid cap portfolio, and we have Underserved, which is us mainly invest in small cap companies. Apart from the equity strategies that we hold, we also have Alliance, which is a balanced fund, and we have three options under that: conservative, moderate, and aggressive. So we have a whole lot of options for our clients to choose from. Our effort is to deliver consistency in returns through the investing process that we follow. We have a screening process which we call as RH Screener, a stock evaluation process called RH Score, because as part of it we also rank companies on various parameters as part of this process. And RH Risk Manager is a third process where we look at doing forensic studies of companies that we invest into, as well as continuing risk management for the companies that we have invested into. The last process is a process which we call RH Pendulum, and RH Pendulum helps us to identify better buying and selling price points. Our performance for the last year has been good, both relative to the benchmark as well as to similar mutual fund and PMS strategies. On almost all strategies, we outperformed the index. What is notable is our flagship strategy, FlexiCap, which delivered an alpha of 6.4% in the financial year. Our balanced fund strategies, Alliance, delivered alpha between 9 to 13%, depending on the risk option one chose. And the recently launched mutual fund of funds called All Seasons also did exceptionally well and in a short period outperformed the benchmark with an alpha of almost 14%. In line with our contrarian philosophy, we encourage investors to invest into market falls. We believe that the market is throwing us a once in a decade opportunity, and we encourage investors to deploy their capital at this time. Of course, keeping in mind continued volatility over the next few months, we will safeguard these customers who invest at this point of time by making a phased deployment into markets considering the expected volatility in the short run.